Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Floss Tube Day. It's my 274th Floss Tube. It is April 1st, 2025, and I have my April cup, and I'm drinking orange spice tea by Bigelow. Yep. Holy cow. Yeah, unbelievable. So, it was not a busy week, which is good. I had a few starts, a few reviews, and I only worked on a couple of other things. So, yeah, I worked more on the starts than I did on the couple other things. How's that? Yeah. And of course I have my cutesy book I got from Jill. So let's get into it. What did we start? This is in no particular order. I don't remember what day we did this. This is from VIP Cross Stitch, and it says corner, I'm trying to get the glare off of it. There we go. Corner of Venice. Yeah, I never got back to this after I did the video. So, didn't get much. I love that thread, man. If you'd want it to stick to something, it wouldn't. But then, all of a sudden, here you are, right? And of course, we have threads hanging. So, we started in the upper left-hand corner, and that is all that I got done. Yeah. So, I'm going to try and work on that some more this next week. I do like that. It's just plain simple, you know, buildings and that kind of thing. Yeah. And a few trees. It's not overdone. I think I would say that the trees kind of overshadowed everything. Yeah. The next one is from One Day Saving, and it's called Longevity. Holy crap. Can't say that word. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, so I kind of went into insane mode. Well, insane for me. So I started in the upper left-hand corner again. And I've been working on this part. So I started putting all these things in for this area. And then I go, kind of want to see what the black looks like against it. So I did a little bit of that. And then I came down here and started working on these flowers down, like from here up. And I put color into that brown, so the outline of everything is that pale yellow. So yeah, you can see more of what I got done on this side. So yeah, I really like this. It's easy to pick up, you know, and just put a few threads in. Nothing too tricky. It's kind of like the help me here. The Silk Dragon, as far as things are outlined, it kind of reminds me of a cartoon, but I really like the way that all looks once you get it done. I also started, and I'm not sure who this is from. Oh dear, what does that say? Oh, it was from Monday Saving. It's the cat in the tree. I just love that picture. It's so cute. I didn't get any more done because I was fried last night. Yeah. So, we started to outline the cat in that brown. But, yeah, we'll get on to more of it. I also started this one. It's called The Mill. Is there a number? Yep, The Mill 1. So, yay. And I've got that from Paint Some Way. I can get it out of the bag. Did not get back to it, so still got that much, but it seems very nice, so I might keep working and adding on to it. And big flash, you know, now it's going to get cold again here, right? So yesterday when I was out and about and at work and everything, I noticed that the trees are starting to bud, so yeah. Here we are. All right, trigger warning. I started, this is my girl and snake, and I started over here on this, and then I went to like the top of the head. Didn't get much put in, but I worked mostly on that, I don't know what they call them, some kind of a knot. It's not, it's the Chinese version of a Celtic knot. Does that make sense? Holy cow, I hope I said that right. So that's all I got done with that. And those are all of the starts. I have to put this back in this bag because you know how things happen around here. I couldn't even find this kit. I had put it over here instead of over there on my desk and left it there. No, couldn't do that. That would be too easy. And last week we also, where's my picture? Worked on this one that I call Beautiful Village. I just love the pink trees and all this pinkish stuff in with that brown. It almost reminds me of iced gingerbread men. Do you know that gingerbread look? Not that that has anything to do with the China side of everything. So, just still working in that corner. And as you know, when I first got it, I started working on that roof. So there's still a few symbols, you know, scattered about. There's one that is it's about, the symbol is about that color, like cardboard color. But after you get everything in it, I keep finding one, two, here and there. I should have done that symbol first, not even thinking that the roof would be like a brownish to a black. Some days I'm just not real organized. I also worked on Busy Ladies that I got from AliExpress. I'm trying to find my picture. There we go. And I've started in this corner, kind of, sort of. So this week I mainly focused on putting some of the leaves in here and her top of her dress. I haven't started anything below that instrument she's playing, which I can't pronounce, so here we are. Oh my goodness. So, just filling in the blanks. Started, oh, you can't even see that, can you? There's two tones of blue. Now you can see it. So I outlined all of that part where it says 70. And then I have to go back and put that, I'll call it dark. This would be cerulean. This would be more on a medium navy color. Yeah, so doing that. And I'm trying to hang on to the needle in my hand. Hold please. Hold please. There'll be a hot moment while I anchor that puppy down and not lose the thread. So, and I've been filling this in just little bit by little bit. So yeah, not a whole bunch of progress. Let me throw that together. Put that like so. Put that back where it belongs. Just hate getting things separated. It just drives me ballistic. Oh yeah. Hold please. Alright, yeah. I think I'm going to have to switch bags with this one, because it's just that much not not big enough. And it kind of messed up the zipper. So anyway, moving on. This is my peonies that I got from AliExpress. Yeah, I love this. It is gorgeous. And I hope you can see what I've been doing. So initially, I started up here in this corner. Been putting in color after color after color. Sorry for the thread. Yeah, I did that. Let's hang a thread. So, but you can see on the back, there's not that much. It's just that the symbols are filling in the gaps. So it looks like there's more. And then on this past week, I did the bottom we're working it right in here, so I wanted to see what the blue would look like. So it's coming along really well, and of course now we have that yellow line that's going to be like a highlight for the colors. So yeah, I haven't started below that, but it's coming along and I really like the way it looks. And that is everything that I worked on last week. Worked on, started, reviews, that kind of thing. So, yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that peony. I didn't know if it would turn out or not, but I wanted to see the shading and how that was all going to go. And I'm sure it'll be in the pinks as well. I just haven't got to a dark pink because it's going to accent and bring everything out as well. So plans for this week, none except for April Saturday stitching, and the theme for April is birds. So I pulled a few birds out I want to work on, so we will do that on Saturday, 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, USA. But other than that, I have no plans. I did make an order at AliExpress, what was that, a week or so ago? And I have no idea when those will be here, so we'll see. But other than that, guys, I think that's really it. And I appreciate everybody sending projects that you're working on or you finished or whatever all week. I appreciate it. If you do have any, just send it to my email, and that is always, sorry, the light is reflecting like crazy today. That's in my description below. So it can be anything you're working on, something you finished, and it does not have to be cross-stitch or just cross-stitch. It can be any craft that you're into, and I will get it into a next stitch with me as soon as I possibly can. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.